In the Hungarian army, there was an officer whose name was Károly Takács. He was one of the top 25-meter rifle pistol shooters. But somehow, in 1938, there was an explosion of a grenade which caused his hand to be ripped off, and his right hand was cut off. And therefore, everybody wrote him off, thinking that he can no longer participate in rifle shooting. But Károly Takács was extremely determined, and he decided that I have to fulfill my dream of participating in the Olympics in rifle shooting. If my right hand is gone, I will shoot with my left hand. And he started practicing shooting with his left hand as soon as he got discharged. And then in the 1939 championship shooting, he arrived on the scene, and many of the shooters thought that he has come to inspire them, and they congratulated him for having the guts to come and support them and cheer them up, although he could not himself do so. He said, "No, I have not come to cheer you up. I have come to participate in the championship." And to everyone's utter surprise, he won the championship and he became eligible to participate in the 1940 Olympics. But because of the World War II, the 1940 Olympics and the 1944 Olympics were both cancelled. But Károly Takács was extremely determined to get the Olympics gold medal. He continued struggling for it, practicing diligently, and in the 1948 Olympics, he won the gold medal. And as also in 1952 Olympics, he got the gold medal. This is the power of determination. And when a person is determined, he does not consider any kind of external circumstance, and he simply continues to fight. Krishna Pada Padma Gandha Jai Janabai Brahmaloka Adi Sukha Tare Nahi Bhai. It is described that one who is determined to overcome the various obstacles of this material world, to attain the ultimate liberation beyond this world, he does not care for any kinds of prosperity and adversities of this world, because he is simply focused on attaining the ultimate goal. So we can just imagine that if someone can be so determined to get a recognition within this material world, how much determined we should be to be recognized by the Supreme Lord in the spiritual world. And therefore, yes, we may lose one of our assets. Yes, we may lose one of our plans. Yes, we may experience some challenge here, some challenge there. But we have to be able to constantly press the reset button and remain determined in this journey.